Hi, welcome to the Z Gym. This is our lifted butt series workout number 5. This is a bodyweight workout. We're doing a bunch of bodyweight exercises. All of them are going to be targeting your butt, your hamstrings. So let's get started, warm up, and then we're going to do this workout together. We have to complete 2 rounds as fast as we can. So get ready. We're going to start with the 20 side jump lunges. Get into the starting position. Keep your back straight, legs straight. Jump and switch legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, pick up the pace, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Backward lunge into pistol squat. Step back, leg forward. We're going to go only halfway down though. So that's 1 and 2. Down, push off of the heel, 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. Keep going. 8. And squeeze your butt. 9. 10. 2 more. 11. And last one. 12. Good job. Switch legs. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. Stay with me. Really squeeze all of the muscles on the standing leg. 8. 9. 10. 11. And 12. Good job. Sumo jump squats with leg lift. 20 reps. So, feet wide apart. We're gonna do sumo squat, jump first, and then lift your leg up to the side. And we're gonna be alternating the sides. Sumo jump squat and leg lift to really squeeze your glutes. That's 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. And 20. Okay, now let's go down on the exercise mat. We're gonna do 20 hip thrusts with sit-ups. Okay, push off of the heels, bring your hips up, down, and sit up, straighten your back, and lay down. You're gonna do 20 reps. That's 2, 3, really squeeze your glutes, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 more, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Now get on your floor and we're gonna do kneeling leg lifts. So make sure you brace your core, extend your left leg out, and you're gonna bring the leg up, squeeze your glutes, and down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Switch legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Stand up, and we have to complete one more round. Get ready, side jump lunge. Keep your back straight, push your hips back, touch the ground, jump and switch legs. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good job. Backward lunge, halfway pistol squat. Get ready, step back, leg forward, tense all of the muscles, halfway down and up, squeeze your glutes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep going, 2 more reps. 11, 12. This one was hard, okay. Switch legs. Backward lunge, leg forward, and halfway squat. Keep your balance. Always tense the muscles in your legs. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 2 more reps. 11. Last one. And 12. Good job. Now, sumo jump squat with leg lift, 20 reps. Feet wide apart. Squat down, jump, and side leg lift. Squat down, jump, and other side. Squeeze your glutes. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Lay down. Hip thrusts and sit-ups. Push off of the heels. Squeeze your glutes down. Sit up, straight back. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. Hip thrust. 15. 16. 17. 18. Squeeze your glutes. 19. And last one. 20. On your floor. Last exercise. Left leg out. And leg lift. Squeeze your glutes again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Switch legs. 2, 3, 4, brace your abs, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and that's it, we're done. Okay, do not round your back. Keep your back straight. You can get into this kneeling position. Try to breathe. Calm down. I hope you guys enjoyed this workout. You might feel it in your butt later on. So if you feel any soreness after these workouts, make sure that you do your stretching. I have shared with you the 3 major stretches. It's on my website, so check it out. And make sure that you're supporting this training with your diet. So make sure you're eating protein. Don't eat too much carbs because that is not gonna help you with anything. Eat a lot of veggies. Avoid any junk food, things like that. So now just move on directly to your cool down and stretching. And I'm gonna see you in the next workout. Ciao.